Hi, it's Mark Ling here, and in this video we're going to look at 4 essential WordPress plugins for you to install. So we go to, what do? We go over to plugins, add new, and we're going to start with Wordfence. Might be one word. Here we go. We'll just click install now and activate. So it's just a comprehensive WordPress security plugin. Check this. No thanks. Continue. Here we go. No thanks. And so we've got Wordfence activated. The next one we want to search for is pretty links. Might have to space that one out. I'll try clicking add new again and type that in again. Pretty links. This is going to enable you to make your links just look nice, like it'll be yoursite.com/ whatever the word is, rather than hop.clickbank.net/ or whatever. Like, this is for when you use your affiliate link to earn commissions promoting other people's stuff. So anyway, I'll click install. Short links by pretty links, activate. Click to activate. And we're done. Okay, I won't worry about configuring it just yet, the firewall. So now I will just go and add new for plugins, because we've done 2, Wordfence and pretty links. Now we'll do Yoast. Yoast SEO, install now. And click activate. That's just if you want to search engine optimize your site and get high search engine rankings. That's kind of helpful. You don't have to use it, but just in case you want to in the future, it's good to have. And then W3 total cache. I'll just type W3 and see if I can find it. Nope, I must be looking in the wrong place. I'll click add new. I might be searching my existing plugins rather than the new ones. There we go, try that. And there we go. Now I can click install now, and that's just good for load speed and stuff like that. And click activate. And that way your pages hopefully should be loading faster and stuff like that. So there we go. We've installed Wordfence, Pretty Links, Yoast SEO, and W3 Total Cache. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.